Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna do some drag racing. We're gonna try to put some nice A to B passes down. I finally got a transmission that wants to shift and a clutch that seems to want to hook up. With that combination, we ought to be able to turn out some pretty good times. But before we get into that video, I have a word from today's sponsor. Our sponsor is Solar Permit Specialists. If you are or know anyone in the solar industry, then you should know the name Solar Permit Specialists. Big or small, they do it all, from large corporations to the one-man army solar contractors. You know the deal, a $300 permit package, not some set of plans that you fight with the city, dealing with corrections. These guys are the one-stop shop for solar permitting. They make the plans, they take it to the city, they deal with all the headaches associated, and once approved, they overnight the plans to your office with placards, stickers, and all the stuff you need. There isn't a package out there that is comparable. You're going to have to go through multiple companies, multiple channels, or have multiple employees. Whereas Solar Permit Specialist is your hands-off solution to solar permitting. Now with that out of the way, let's get into some drag racing. Transmission. I don't need to add another transmission into that. All right, next up. Was on that one, but that sounded like no two-step. Maybe it was. Holy shit, this thing left like a beast. Wow, I do not know what I ran. I'm also not disappointed that I got beat by that motorcycle doing a wheelie. What kind of shit is that? 774 with the 161 60 foot. That's my best 60 foot ever. 89 miles an hour. I granny shifted. I did all kinds of stuff wrong, and that was a 774. My best was a 768, and I pushed the car a lot harder, but holy shit, that was a good run. That was a great run. Wow, man, it's great to have this thing back. All right, we'll let it cool off and we'll line up again. So when I sit right here, see me playing with these switches down here. The one on the right turns on and off my fan. The one on the left that I play with turns on and off my alternator. So I sit here and I'm running the fan to cool the car down. When I get next in line, I flip it, turn the fan off, and I turn the alternator off for the pass. Gives me a little advantage. So in that last pass, I had my launch at 4,300 when I was expecting like 3,300. So she left a little bit harder than I expected, but man, it felt good. My dad was here to see this. I slowed down a little bit on that one. I lost the hair on the takeoff. Yeah, my 60 foot was 1,707, and that was a 784 at 90 miles an hour. Gained a couple miles per hour, but lost on my overall ET. That was a good race. That was a fair race. Take a look. All right, last race of the night. Turn my two-step up to 4,600. See if we can launch a little harder and get out of the hole a little better. Well, I guess I'm gonna record in front of this dirty car. Hillary kind of spotted her up with a mist that we got from that storm. As you saw from the video, we ran some of our best times. This combination of transmission and engine with rear end, we were able to launch the car, hook up. Hell, my two-step didn't even engage one time, and we launched. The first time it launched, we launched at 6,500 RPMs on the rev limiter, not the two-step, and it survived. I am really surprised. Makes me confident on the next time around to be able to push the car a little harder. I wanted to launch at like 4,500. We launched it at 6,500. Well, I hope you like this video. I do plan on doing some more drag racing. We're also working on a lot of other projects right now, so you'll see that stuff coming out soon. And on that note, we'll catch you on the next one.